Hello, everyone. Today we learn the content of power battery heat exchanger solenoid valve detection, fault diagnosis and maintenance. Task description. The owner of a 2018 Geely Emgrand EV450 responded that the car could not start. The power battery fault indicator light was lit, and the maintenance technician found that the communication instrument and BMS were abnormal, requiring a comprehensive inspection of the power battery management system. 1. Work preparation. We will operate in 10 steps from job preparation. Vehicle protection. Viewing vehicle fault phenomena. Connecting diagnostics. Fault diagnosis. Fault analysis. Fault detection. Fault repair. Fault testing and station recovery. Training equipment. Vehicle Geely EV450. Training tools. Diagnostic instrument. Multimeter. Insulating gloves, etc. Safety hat. Automobile multi-purpose junction box. A set of automobile maintenance combination tools. 4 sets inside the car. 3 sets outside the car, etc. 2. Vehicle protection. 1. Pull the quarantine bar during vehicle maintenance. Divide the maintenance work area and remind non-staff to avoid entering. 2. Place high-pressure safety warning signs. Remind people to pay attention to the danger of high-voltage electricity to prevent the occurrence of accidental electric shock accidents. 3. Check the fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher is normal. 4. Install wheel stop. 3. Check the vehicle fault phenomenon. 1. Install 4 sets in the car. It generally includes seat covers, steering wheel covers, gear shift rod covers, foot pad paper, etc., which are used to protect the internal parts of the vehicle from wear and pollution. Two. Turn on the ignition switch and check that the instrument has no fault indicator. 4. Connect the diagnostic instrument. 1. Turn off the ignition switch. 2. Connect the diagnostic instrument. 3. Turn on the ignition. 5. Fault diagnosis. 1. Open the diagnostic instrument software. 2. Enter fault detection. 3. Choose the car brand Geely Emgrand. 4. Select the model EV450. 5. Enter the vehicle control system VQ system. 6. Make a basic diagnosis. 7. Perform read fault code. 8. View the fault code and record it. 6. Fault analysis. According to the fault phenomenon, no fault light. Diagnosis instrument, no fault code. Query the circuit diagram. Basically judge the fault of the heat exchanger solenoid valve line. Need to further test the heat exchanger solenoid valve line. 7. Fault detection. 1. Install the 3-piece set outside the car. Pull the engine room lock switch and open the front engine room. Lay fender cloth and front grille cloth. Avoid scratches on car paint when carrying out vehicle maintenance. 2. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. 1. Zero calibration of the multimeter. Insert the red pen and black pen of the multimeter into the corresponding jack. Set the multimeter to the resistance level. Connect the red and black pen, and the multimeter displays 0, and the multimeter is normal. 2. Set the multimeter to voltage. Connect the red pen and black pen to the positive and negative terminals of the battery respectively, and measure the battery voltage as 1246 voltage. The standard voltage value is 11 to 14 voltage. Normal. 3. Disconnect the negative electrode of the battery. 4. Use the lift machine to lift the vehicle to the highest position. Remove the wheel stop. 5. Unplug the heating water pump wiring harness connector K57. Measure the voltage between K57 and reliable grounding. Measured value: 0 voltage. Standard: 11 to 14 voltage. Judge: abnormal. 6. Use the lift to lower the vehicle to the lowest level. Install the wheel stop. 7. Open the central fuse box of the front engine room. Connect the negative terminal of the battery. Measure the EF15 front-end voltage. The voltage value is 12.3 voltage. The standard value is 11 to 14 voltage. Measure the EF15 rear-end voltage. The voltage value is 0 voltage. Remove the fuse EF15. Check whether there is a short circuit fault. 8. It is concluded that the heat exchanger solenoid valve line is broken. 8. Fault repair. Disconnect the negative battery. Replace the fuse EF15. Cover the central fuse box of the front engine room, and connect the negative battery. 9. Fault test. 1. Open the ignition switch to check the operation. Read the fault code information of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument, and read the relevant data stream of the solenoid valve of the exchanger. No fault code is read in the result, and the data flow is normal. Remove the receiver of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument. Turn off the main engine of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument. and put it back in its place. 2. The vehicle starts normally and the overhaul is completed. 10. Station restoration. 1. Recycling car outside 3 sets. Close the front hatch cover. 2. Recycle 4 sets in the car. 3. Recycle wheel stop. 4. Recover high-pressure safety warning signs. Recover fire extinguishers and quarantine barriers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to help you with your power battery heat exchanger solenoid valve detection, fault diagnosis, and maintenance work.